Babe, I want to know if you know me very well.
What is it?
Okay. So I'm going to ask you some few questions. Okay. When is my birthday?
February 1st.
Okay. What is my favorite color?
I think white.
You think?
White.
Okay. So which movie did I like, watching? What kind of movie did I like watching?
I think all these Korean movie.
Okay. So how does my mess sound?
It can be how does your mess like you're fat.
What is that?
Okay. Pooh.
Which one is well done? Well done. Which one is poo? My mess sound like this. Eh?
That is that going to be this. You don't even get anything to.
Maybe it's because another girl messed in your presence. That is what you have in your head. I said it. You did not love me. You did not even know me very well. Eh? You have another girl mess. You have another girl's fat in your head instead of your girlfriend own. You see you.
God have mercy
Men will
upon us.
stain your whites. You see you.
Babe,
You.
what did you eat this afternoon? Kind of nonsense. No.